Well, now we have the expected values and observed values. Then the next step is to find the test value for chi-square and then compare the test value with the critical value. Let's remember our formula. That was observed value minus expected value square divided by expected value and then sigma. Right now I'm going to put here observed. I make a column for observed value and I'm going to write this in an order starting with BIF 24, 28, 9, 7, and then next is Poultry, which is 9, 14, 21, 22, and next column is fish 8, 9, 29, 17, and the last column is pasta 5, 12, 6, and 20. Let's take the total, make sure that it is 240. So I go here, sum, hit enter, 240. So I need to create another column for expected values. I should write the same order starting with BIF. So this time, instead of entering the number, I'm going to put the cell number. So this equals to B11. The reason I did this, I want to get more accurate results. So because this shows only 2 decimals, but if I write the cell number, so that will copy the whole cell. So equal 17.85 B12. This equals B13. Next one equal B14. Then next column C11, C12, C13, C14. Next column D11, D12, D13, D14, and the last column for pasta E11, E12, E13, and E14. And the total should be 240. Well, now if you look to formula, so I need to plug in the numbers for the formula O minus E. So O minus E, which is H2 minus I2. So then I can copy this to the end. And next column, within parentheses, O minus E square. So another simple formula, J2 caret 2 square. So if it doesn't fit, let's just reduce the number of decimals, 2 decimals, and then copy this. And the next step is this number should be divided by expected value. See, observed minus expected square divided by expected. So let me copy this. Square divided by expected value. So another simple formula, K2 divided by expected value. Hit enter and then copy this to the end, and then for the test value take the total of this number, so 5307. So let me put here test value, and I need critical value. So in order to find the critical value, we're going to use function chi-square inv. But before that, I need to figure out what the degree of freedom is, which is column number, which there are 4 columns, minus 1, column minus 1, times row minus 1. There are 4 rows as well, so 4 minus 1. So that is 3 times 3, 9. So when I do the function, that will be function CHIINV. Click OK. The probability is 0.01 and degree of freedom 9. So the critical value is 2176. Then the decision is H0 reject, H1 accept, because the test value is greater than the critical value. The next step will be to explore where the difference comes from. So which type of entry are more preferred, they prefer more, what types of dessert.